Today, we want to give you a look at a Delta Venturi Steam Trap, an enduring component for a forward-thinking engineer. A steam trap is used in the steam process to not only vent air and non-condensable gas, but to continuously drain and release condensate while preventing the escape of steam from your system. The Delta Venturi Steam Trap does this by creating a back pressure zone within the Venturi tunnel. This back pressure converts some of the hot condensate into flash steam, which restricts the process steam in the system. The denser condensate is then allowed to continuously pass through the trap without the use of any mechanical parts. This particular set of traps is going to one of our customers in the medical industry. Once integrated into their system, it'll be used in a drip leg application, serving as a reliable addition to their process. The purpose of Delta traps over conventional solutions is that despite its higher initial cost, it is designed to be a more reliable, singular component, removing the need for any replacement parts. With a lifespan of up to 10 times longer than conventional designs, this model reduces the amount of traps that need annual replacement, which saves significant time and money, while also lowering the environmental impact of emissions from frequently failing mechanical traps. Delta truly provides a permanent solution to a perpetual problem. To find solutions for your process systems, give us a call or contact us on our website to receive specialized review from our application engineers who are ready and waiting to help you and your business.